Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Remove the center engine cover by pulling up. There are two air filters flanking the engine. On each filter housing, there are two fasteners that need to be removed. Remove the two fasteners securing both filter housings. Lift each housing and remove the old filters, and clean out the debris in the housing. Install your new AF3938 filters into the housings. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Re-engage the fasteners. The engine cover snaps back onto the engine by lining up the clips with their catch. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.